Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have with us today is no ordinary whiteboard. This is the Samsung Galaxy Flip and it costs about 3 lakh rupees. It is a multi-purpose whiteboard and we are quickly going to run you through its features. Now let's begin with some specifications. The board has a 55-inch display with a 60Hz LED panel and with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. That's 4K. So if you want, you can play 4K video content on this too. It has a 178-degree viewing angle, and for connectivity it has one HDMI port, 2 USB ports, NFC, and of course the touchscreen which works with the pencil. Now the pencil works like it should. You can write using either side, as one has a thinner stroke and the other has a thicker stroke. You can change the color of the pencil by simply long pressing on the display. This will help those looking to use the board creatively. Just remember, there are limitations to the number of colors the pencil can use. A great thing is that you can use your hands to erase the content from the whiteboard without worrying about getting ink on your fingers. You can of course save your work on this board and take it with you where you go as a PDF. But if you thought that this is just a fancy whiteboard, we'd say think again. You can mirror the contents of your Windows laptop to the Flip. Sure, you can connect it via an HDMI cable, but there is something better. You can wirelessly connect the Flip to your Windows laptop and use it as a display. To do this, simply click on the bottom right of the laptop, click on Connect, and you will see the option to connect to the Flip. It's really that simple. See something you like while doing this? Well, you can take a screenshot and start doodling on that as well. This makes taking notes around your favorite content a whole lot of fun. Did we mention that you can navigate your laptop's content using the Flip's display, leaving your laptop on the comfort of your desk? Moving on, you can also cast your smartphone's display to the Flip and use it as a second screen. Simply tap your smartphone to the side of the Flip, click on Smart View, and your smartphone's display is on the Flip and you are good to go. Just like the laptop, you can navigate your smartphone screen on the Flip while your phone sits comfortably in your pocket. Isn't that cool? You can also take a screenshot of the content of your phone on the Flip and doodle on that as well. Instead of having multiple displays for different purposes in the classroom or boardroom, the Flip can be a one-stop shop for school and boardrooms alike. The hefty price tag means it won't be accessible to all, but hey, the future of multi-purpose displays looks bright. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.